Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to verify your SquareUp account. If you have recently signed up for your SquareUp account, then you will need to verify your email address. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and then type in squareup.com and search. Also make sure to sign in to the newly created account for SquareUp. After you're signed into the SquareUp account, go ahead and scroll through the left-hand side of the screen and click Open the Settings menu. In the pop-up, click on Account and Settings. Right where it says Sign In, you will be able to see the email verification needed option. Click Verify and you will need to now check your email inbox. Open up a new tab and log into the email service provider's inbox that is associated with your account, and you will now be able to see a new inbox from Square. Click it Open and click on Verify Email Address option. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your SquareUp email quickly and easily. So that is how you can easily verify your SquareUp email in just a few steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.